Uploading a video here on YouTube might seem so easy to you, but you're not aware that if you don't do it the right way, you might not get any views. Not to talk more of attracting your audience, because everybody has a particular target audience. Now in this video, I'm going to show you a detailed step-by-step on how to upload your video correctly. Hello my fellow millionaires and billionaires of YouTube. This is Grow with Bubu, where I help beginners start and grow their YouTube channel in the right way. In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your video without stress at all, so as to attract good views and subscribers, and not just that, your audience. Now let's jump right in. Here are 7 ways or 7 steps on how to upload your video. The first step is to go to your YouTube app. I mean, everybody has a YouTube app. You click on that plus button below your dashboard. I don't really know if it is called dashboard, but just have it in mind. Click on that plus button. When you click on that plus button, it's going to show you where there are options of video, short, live and post. We are focused more on videos. When you click on that video, you see your videos there. Select the video you want to post, and I assume that before you must have created videos, you should have created your thumbnail, because your thumbnail is actually what your video is actually talking about. All right, when you click on the video, it will take you to where there are different options, and that takes us to the next step, which is step 2, title. Your title should be related to your video. Please do not confuse your audience and YouTube. Some of you, because you want views, you tend to write something that is totally absurd and totally different from your video. Please do not try it, because it will actually send a signal to YouTube that this is what you're doing, and they can flag your account. Okay, so let's assume that this is the video I want to create, and it is actually talking about how to upload your video. Let your title not be too long that it would actually not make sense to your audience. Okay, now the step 3 is your description. That's the step 3. Please, your description is also important. See, no matter what you're doing and you don't have any description on your video, I don't know, some people, when they want to watch your video, after looking at their title, they click on your video, the next thing they go is your description. And if your description is not sweet or catchy, they can zoom off. So try as much as you can to do what? Write something on your description. That is why we have ChatGPT. You can go to ChatGPT and, mention your title to the app. Ask ChatGPT to create a description for you. Okay, now the step 3 is your visibility. Now if you go to that visibility, if you click it, you're going to see where we have public, unlisted, private. Now let me explain them without wasting time. Public is anyone can search for and view, meaning that anybody can see your video. The moment you click on public and you upload, everybody can see your video without stress. And inside that public, you're going to see where they said set an instant premiere. I don't know if everybody has such, but in my I have. So setting an instant premiere is that when you click on it, in as much as it is public, it can be showing as is a live video, and when your video is done, it will not upload on its own. Whereas unlisted is anyone with the link can view. If you send somebody this particular video that you have, the link, it is only that person or some other people that you sent your videos, that particular link can watch it. And the last one is private. Only people you choose to watch can view. It is only the people you choose to watch that video can view the video. Do you understand? So that's why we have public, unlisted, and private. The last one there is schedule. Now this schedule is where you set your video. Maybe you notice that you don't have time the next day and you've already filmed your video. What you're going to do is to schedule your videos. Now in that schedule, we have the time, the date, and everything. Even in the time, you have AM and PM. Please be very careful when it comes to time, because some people tend to be very fast, and then they are supposed to upload their videos by 10 AM and they don't even know when they clicked 10 PM. All right, so if you do that, you can also set it as premium, meaning that whenever your video is being scheduled, the moment it hits YouTube, it's going to play as a live video. Do you understand? There is no need of the video staying there. It will just automatically become live, as if somebody you're just filming the video at that moment. I don't know if you understand. So when you are done with this, the fourth step, which is step 4, is your audience. And this takes me to ask you, who are your audience? Because if you go to this place, they say audience, you will notice that they have, yes, it is made for kids. No, it is not made for kids. If your videos are meant for kids, please click yes. If your video is not meant for kids, click no. When you click on this, it will take us to the next step, which is step 5. You see, we are already rounding up. Now your step 5 is paid promotions and brands. Now, if you click on that paid promotions and brand, because your channel is not yet monetized, there is no need of you trying to click on yes, because if you click on yes, anybody that wants to watch your video will first of all calm down and watch the ads there. Since you are not being paid, because if you're monetized, your account will be paid based on the number of ads being seen on your videos and how well people stay to watch your ads. But since you're not yet monetized, just click on no, and then you go back. Now, some of you are going to ask, what about location and add to playlist? I don't normally click on location. I mean, I'm looking for different audience. I'm looking for different people from different countries, okay? And then some of you are still going to ask, what about add to playlist? Now, I'm going to show you in next video, that one is a total video altogether, how to create a playlist and why your playlist is very important. And also in that step 5, we also have altered contents. Altered contents, if you read it very well, some of you don't read, but let me read it out for you. Does any of this you're following describe your content? Inside your content, is there something like AI, yada yada, and so on? Does it alter something of real events or so on? If you notice that your content is real, just click on no. It is not altered, click on no. That is step 5. Now it takes us to the step 6, which is your thumbnail. You know, I talked about thumbnail from the beginning of my video. See, your thumbnail is very important. If you go to that your video that is being clicked, you notice that most of you don't even have thumbnail. Like my own, I have thumbnail. Now, if you want to create a thumbnail, that's a video altogether. I can show you how to create that if you want. But if you've already created thumbnail and you don't know how to include it in your video, what you're going to do is to go to that place, there is pencil or something like picture there, click on it and look for where you have created your YouTube thumbnail for the particular video. When you click on it, it will directly upload itself. That is the first thing everybody will see the moment they come across your video. You see, thumbnail and title, it is so attractive to people. All right, so once you're done creating a thumbnail, the last one, which is step 7, I think step 7 is upload. I assume that by now you must have settled your videos, you must have analyzed your video, you must have set everything in the right place. And the last one, which is step 7, is to click on upload. And that's it. Now you know how to upload your YouTube video the right way. If this video helped you, do well to drop a like, comment, subscribe for more tips, and check out my next video where I will show you the best YouTube setting to grow your channel faster. Clock it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you.